Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Nvidia control panel when it's not showing your display on a laptop. Let's fix it step by step in simple terms. Right click on your desktop, select Nvidia control panel. If it's open but the display isn't showing, don't worry, we'll fix it. First, make sure your laptop is connected to the display properly. If you are using an external monitor, check cables and ports for built-in screen. Skip this process. Some laptops have dual graphics integrated and Nvidia GPU. For them, go to 3D settings, global settings, prefer graphics, then processor and select high performance Nvidia processor. This ensures Nvidia is controlling your display. Sometimes a quick update or installation fixes. For that, open G4 Experience or go to Nvidia website, download the latest version of drivers for your laptop and choose a clean installation. This reset the setting and fixes display detection. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.